Thunder Bay Mayor Bill Mauro joins us to talk about the COVID-19 vaccine. It's James with Net News Ledger. Joining us by Zoom is Mayor Bill Mauro. Mayor, you just sent a letter off on the issue with vaccines. What do our readers and viewers need to know?
Well, I think a couple of days ago or 3 days ago, my office really started to receive a lot of correspondence, more from people related to a frustration with the online provincial booking system, trying to get into the queue for their ability to receive their vaccine. So it was a very unusual circumstance. The number of calls and emails that we received was really unusual. So we thought we better address this and let people know that we're going to try and do what we can. We've communicated it to the local public health unit as well. They're very much aware of it as well. And I think we're all trying to see what we can do to get the province's attention to make sure that we can limit this as much as possible. I would expect there's other parts of the province experiencing the same challenges as well.
There's probably a limited number of vaccines, but with the number of cases we've had here in the Thunder Bay district, you'd think we'd be moving up the priority list a little quicker.
Yeah, we didn't, I don't know if the online booking system is related to vaccine availability or not. Clearly, we continue to do what we can to advocate for vaccine availability. I think as more areas are in the gray lockdown zone, you're beginning to see other parts of the province with the same challenge as Thunder Bay District would have in terms of ensuring that they receive their particular allocations. I always go back to how it was first explained to me by General Hillier many months ago, and that was that when vaccine became available in larger quantities, that those areas that were in the gray, red, and or gray lockdown zones would receive a larger proportional share of the general vaccine as we moved into what was described as phase 2. That's where we are as a district. So, we continue to make that point as well, although we appreciate there are other parts of the province in similar circumstances.
All right. Thank you for explaining that to us, Mayor Mauro, and we'll be back next week. Let's talk a little bit about the Ontario budget when you've had a chance to really go over it.
Okay, James. Thanks for your time today.
Anytime. Take care.
All right. Bye-bye.
To keep up to date, you have to subscribe. You have to hit that like button and hit the notification to stay in touch.